got a better card than Judah Hunt, New Breed, Mark the Messenger, and Broken Matrix TV put together. I guarantee you, Mark the Messenger, New Breed, Broken Matrix TV, Judah Hunt, I guarantee you the car that you niggas drive is not a 2018 and up. And I'll crack your motherfucking jaw, boy. I can't wait to run into you. I'm gonna hit your ass so hard, boy. I'm gonna knock your face through the fucking wall, nigga. Y'all niggas be talking all that shit on the internet. All the subscribers can't help you niggas in a fight. I don't even know why I'm talking about your bitch ass. I feel right now, nigga. Come do something about it. Don't like it? Come get these hands, nigga. Come get these hands, nigga. Come get these hands. You don't like it, nigga? Come get these hands, boy. Come get these hands, nigga. I guarantee you, no content creator on YouTube can see me with the hands. From the Broken Matrix TV, a bitch. Broken Matrix TV, a bitch. Conspiracy Underground, bitch. Mark the Messenger, bitch. What you talking about, nigga? What you trying to do? What's up? Ooh, where your hands at, boy? Ooh. How you coming with them hands? Ooh. How's he coming with them hands? Ooh. Where you at with it, cuz? I'll break Slim face. Stop playing with me, boy. I'll break your fucking jaw, nigga. You's a bitch. You see this shit, nigga? You see this shit, nigga? You see this, nigga? Yeah, you on it, bro.